Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing okay. If you're new, welcome. My name is Claire. I've got another unboxing for September and it is Toyl. I've taken the top off because it has my address in it, but I just wanted to show you something. So Toyl is a monthly beauty box. If you don't know anything about it and you want to learn, then carry on watching. I'll just give you some information. But if you've seen it all before and you're just curious in seeing what's in this September box, then you will find a timestamp down below in my comments, so you're free to flick forward, including a £5 off code. Toyl stands for Time of Your Life, and it's a beauty monthly subscription box for women of midlife, say from about 35 years and over. It's been created by an award-winning blogger and an Amazon best-selling author of Time of Your Life. So all the products that are featured in the box, they are specifically for this age group, and Karen, the owner, she regularly posts interviews and videos on how to use these products and talks about the ingredients, and sometimes has, as I said, interviews with the founders of the brands on Facebook, Instagram and YouTube as well. The cost of the box is £39.99 and it has a value of over £100. Now this box was kindly gifted to me for free in exchange for showing you and telling you all about it on my channel, and they've given me a £5 code to share with you, so you can have £5 off your first box, and that is Geek. I'll pop it down below in the description, as well as links to the subscription, so you're welcome to take a look if you want more details there. So yeah, so let's get on to showing you what's inside the September box. This month it is worth £121. Down there. September is all about those last few days of sun, the autumn walks, the changes in nature that herald the start of autumn, but I know that you'll be too excited by the contents of this box to see much of that. This box is all about night workers, products that work at night or overnight to give you incredible results. Makeup, skincare, hair care and more, but what I have chosen from which brand, find out on the 18th of September. So on the 18th of September, Karen shows you the full contents of the box on Instagram and Facebook. So if you are a regular subscriber and you fancy knowing what is in next month's box, if it's not for you, then you're able to get in touch and pause your subscription, which I think is really great. So you get to see the products fully, and then you can make an informed decision whether you want that box or not, which I really like. So yeah, look out for the 18th of September. First up, we've got a product by Ren Clean Skincare. This is an overnight glow dark spot sleeping cream, and there's 50 mils here. I've tried a little sample of this. I think it's this one, or unless they have a day cream, a dark spot day cream. I'm not sure. I'll have a read now to see what it says about this one. Oh, there's a sticker. I can't get it off. That's what it looks like. See, straight into sniffing again. This is full size and it retails for £53. This is one of the very few dark spot removers that works for us all. Usually treatments use strong acids, but Ren uses algae, which targets the dark spot and not the surrounding skin tone. Just 7 days are all it takes to see visible results. Karen's top tip, this product is also a preventative product, so you can use it all over your face, neck and décolletage, not just on the darker areas. So yeah. So we've got an overnight mask. Next, we've got the Organic Pharmacy Honey and Jasmine Mask. Firm and moisturise with honey, squalene and aloe. Dry or dehydrated skins. And there's 60 mils there. This mask retails for £40. Suitable for all skin types, this product includes squalene, the ingredient that goes back to Roman times. Squalene is very difficult to make. I know a chap who made it from olives in my PR days, but basically mimics the skin's own natural oils. It is in fact a miracle ingredient that's coming back into popularity in more and more products. Here it is perfectly placed to hydrate or overnight, calm the skin and reduce redness with this rich, luxurious and deeply hydrating moisturising mask enriched with naturally soothing ingredients. Now it says apply a layer and leave on for 5 to 10 minutes to allow the active ingredients to penetrate deeply into the skin. Karen's top tip, this can be used as a deeply moisturising overnight face mask. Apply a thin layer, leave on overnight before rinsing off with warm water and a soft cloth in the morning. This is specifically for use for overnight, and this one can be used as a mask or, as Karen says, as an overnight. So yeah, that's an overnight cream. I'll probably keep this and use that just as a mask. Next we got This Works Deep Sleep Body Cocoon, a multitasking beauty sleep saviour for better nights and brighter mornings, and there's 100 mils there. There's that. They say to use at night before going to bed, maybe after a bath or a shower, to help you relax. And this retails for £25. The brand says our unique super blend of shea butter, camellia and stavia oils will help to nourish and support the skin's barrier, while our original deep sleep fragrance of lavender, chamomile and vetiver will help send you into a restful slumber. Karen's top tip. This tube can also double up as a nourishing hand cream, so if you're over body products, hydrate hands at night instead. The fragrance will still do its soothing job and lull you off to the land of nod in no time. Yeah. I've tried this before and it is a really nice cream. So there's that. And then lastly, we've got a Beauty Pro Warming Eye Mask. Now these are gorgeous. These are really, really lovely. I'm not going to open it up because as soon as you touch it, it activates. I'm not sure how that works, whether you have to like bend it or something and it just activates the warmth. But yeah, they are really, really nice. I can never fall asleep with them, but it does relax me, and I have used them in the past when I've got really bad headaches. So yeah, it's more of a relaxation thing for me. The mask retails for £3. We've had heated eye masks before, but they never fail to please. If you haven't used one before, then you're in for a real treat. They start to work when you take them out of the wrapper, so only do this when you are ready. Yeah, basically what I just said. The brand says the self-heating eye pads have a soft chamomile scent, providing gentle warmth and restful rest. Simply place the mask over the eye area using the ear loops to secure it into place and enjoy time to replenish. Tired eyes will be relieved and the mind soothed as you enjoy a moment of tranquility. Karen's top tip. I'd use this for the Organics Pharmacy face mask and the Muride Eye Retinol Serum from the August box, which is what I've been wearing today. It will help the products sink in for maximum results and relaxation. So those are all the products in the box. I'll just go through it all, giving you a bit of a recap. We've got a Ren Clean Skincare Overnight Dark Spot Sleeping Cream, the Organic Pharmacy Honey and Jasmine Mask, This Works Deep Sleep Body Cocoon, a moisturising lotion, and lastly a Beauty Pro Warming Eye Cream. The cost of this box is £39.99 and it has a value of £121, and all the products are full size. The most exciting product for me is this. I have pigmentation and I get it really badly over the summer. It's just dark around here. It's like a little mask. Dark just around here, but mainly on my forehead. I don't like it, but I've always had it, so I don't know if it's getting worse actually with age. Maybe it's a hormonal thing. I'm not too sure. But I'd love to hear your thoughts about this box. Are you a subscriber? Have you received your box yet? Or are you watching this for the first time wondering, shall I, shan't I? All your thoughts and opinions, I'd love to know. So please comment down below. But thanks for watching, and if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel for lots more videos to come. Take care and I'll speak soon. Bye.